Using the Wise card in Thailand involves these steps. Activate your card. Once you receive your Wise card, activate it through the Wise mobile app by following the provided instructions. Load money onto your card. Transfer funds to your Wise card from your Wise account or other linked accounts. You can convert currencies within your Wise account to use in Thailand without currency conversion fees. Locate ATMs. Find ATMs affiliated with Visa in Thailand. These are commonly found in banks, shopping centers, and tourist areas. Withdraw cash. Insert your Wise card into the ATM, enter your PIN, and select the desired amount in Thai baht. Be mindful of any ATM withdrawal fees that might apply. Make purchases. Use your Wise card for purchases at shops, restaurants, or other establishments displaying the Visa logo. You can use it as a debit card for payments in local currency. Monitor transactions. Keep track of your transactions and balances through the Wise app or online account to stay updated on your spending. Be aware of fees. While Wise typically offers competitive exchange rates, be mindful of any currency conversion fees or ATM withdrawal charges that may apply.